Hans Baumeister. I'm the industry manager for food of company Rieckermann. Rieckermann is a solution provider which will integrate machinery for industrial production lines. And we are focused on bakery products, meat products and ready meals in the Middle East, but also in Asia. So when you have any more questions or inquiries, please contact us. Our team of local specialists, technical and sales, who are in the area in Jeddah, in the Emirates, in Cairo. So we are very glad to answer questions you may have, and thank you very much.